Good morning, everybody. Welcome to a new episode of Draw With Us. I am Sam.
I'm Emmy.
And today we are going to draw...
A rocket with sunglasses.
That's fun. Let's go. I follow your lead.
Okay, so we're gonna start with a line that starts straight and then it curves a little bit. And then you're gonna come back down like the other side and make a line here to connect. Okay, so now we're going to draw the
Nozzle?
yeah. So we're gonna do diagonal line, two diagonal lines. And then we're gonna connect. Okay, so now we're gonna draw the wings.
The wings, okay.
Okay, so first we're gonna draw a line here. And then we're gonna draw a diagonal line, a straight line, and connect it to the spaceship. Okay, the rocket. So now we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so let's maybe put the little spots.
Yep. The little dot here and there at the top.
Yeah, first we need to draw a line here.
Okay.
And we're gonna do a little. And here.
Perfect. So now you want to draw the sunglasses, maybe?
Yeah. So first, before the sunglasses, we're gonna draw the window that's going to be the nose.
Oh, okay.
But the little spots here are going to be the mouth.
Okay.
Okay, so now we're gonna draw a little like U over the nose. It's close.
Yeah.
And another U on the other side, but we're gonna leave a little bit right here. Okay, now you're gonna close the two U's. And you're going to connect them. Okay,
Looks
so
good. Maybe the flame
yeah, so
coming out of the nozzle.
so you can just do what you want. You just do floppy or just do like fire, like C's like this. Okay.
Nice.
Okay.
Perfect. It looks like a fun rocket. So now I guess we need to color it.
Yeah.
Okay, so what is your plan? Maybe red at the top?
Yeah, but I'm gonna put stars
Okay. Oh yeah, good idea.
around.
Mm-hmm.
So to do stars, you need to do a triangle, but not closing it. Another triangle and diagonal. One down here, another one here, one here. You can do big or small stars. Okay. So now I think we should color it.
Color it, okay. So I'll go with red on the top, red on the wings, maybe some gray for the body, and obviously the flame on yellow, orange, maybe even red. Oh yeah, okay.
Doing this.
That's a good idea.
Okay, I'm gonna choose my colors.
Let's go.
Okay.
So what do you think of this?
I'm gonna take I'm gonna
I need your help.
yellow, green, red, orange.
This is red?
Yeah.
Okay, and what about the gray for the body here? What can I take?
Taking
This one? No, that is a little bit blue.
no, that's blue complete. That's gray.
Okay, great.
I'm taking
Okay, let's go.
I'm gonna leave these white. This hand's white.
Okay. So as usual, we're gonna fast forward this part so that it's not getting too boring for you guys.
Okay,
Okay,
so we're done.
we done.
So now we need to sign it.
Yes, we need to sign it so that it's a good souvenir for when you will be grown up.
April. Okay.
And thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. We publish new videos every Sunday, so subscribe to our YouTube channel and see you in the next one. Goodbye.